Scale Media GH, and today I'm here to show you how to use Livescore as I was showing SofaScore. How to use Livescore to win bet. First of all, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe, like, comment and share. So without wasting my time, you just open your Livescore, then scroll through. You see today we have Chelsea versus, it has been postponed. So let's say Chelsea versus Liverpool, and then West Ham versus United, West Ham United versus Wolves. So Chelsea versus Liverpool, we will tap on the Chelsea versus Liverpool. On the top you will see no goals in the first half. That's one expected their prediction, but don't take that one, okay? Don't take that one. And put in mind, whatever you will see here, they are saying no goals in first half, which means there will be a goal. There will be what? A goal. It's opposite, I'm telling you, which means there will be a goal. Now let's move to head to head. Not head to head, really, rather. As I said, they are saying no goals in the first half. There will be a goal, please. Then after that, you come who will win. I chose Liverpool. You see that they have 45%, and the draw is 22. Chelsea is 33. So the possibility that Liverpool will win is high. Let's go back again. Let's choose West Ham. They are saying no goals in the first half. Okay, this one too is a lie. There will be a goal. Then you scroll down. Let's see, you choose your team. I'm choosing West Ham. You see, we have 38% out of and the other team have 18. So which means that West Ham has the possibility that they can win the match. But put in mind that when you see no goals in the first half, definitely there's going to be a goal, and it actually works, guys. It actually works. Let's see Sevilla. Okay, and put in mind that whenever I see the no goals, based on the odd, when you see an odd of maybe 130, 129, 126, 125, definitely there is going to be a goal. So I'm choosing Sevilla here. You see, Sevilla has a high possibility that they can win. So this is the way that you can use Livescore to win your bets. Let's see Barcelona. You see they have removed from inside. Who will win this match? So definitely first half there's going to be a goal too. But this one is a straight win for Barcelona, and we have 60%.